Hello, Android users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll tackle a common question: how do you empty the trash on your Android phone? Stick around, and we'll show you two easy methods. Method 1, clearing Google Photos trash. First up, let's deal with Google Photos. Open the Google Photos app on your Android phone. In the bottom bar, tap Library. Now, at the top, tap Trash. In the top right corner, tap the three dots. Select Empty Trash. Confirm your choice by selecting Allow. Remember, this action permanently deletes everything in your trash. Method 2, clearing files by Google Trash. Next, let's tackle Files by Google. Open the Files by Google app. In the top left corner, tap the hamburger menu, those three horizontal lines. Select Trash. Here, all your deleted files are displayed. Choose All Items to select everything. Finally, tap Delete at the bottom. Confirm your choice. Once again, these files are gone forever.